Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to subtract in Google Sheets. So let's begin the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the numbers you want to subtract. Now click on the cell where you want the subtraction result to appear. Now type an equal sign in the cell. Then after enter the subtraction formula. For example, equal A1 minus B1. Now press enter. There you have it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.